OPV 222 study guide states that inclusive education is universally accepted as an approach to education that addresses diversity in teaching and learning that involves teachers and learners. It furthermore states that inclusive education caters for the right to education of every learner, regardless of their backgrounds. In understanding inclusive education asks the question of who should be included in education and why should they be included. The question of who should be included, we look at the audience. In education, we look at learners. And the question of why should they be included, that will be because of their diversity, their differences, the differences that they bring inside the education context. Looking at an overview of what inclusive education entails inside the classroom, we look at the process of increasing the participation in the classroom of all learners in their differences. We also looking at reducing an act of exclusion from different cultures, curricula, and communities. Learners with barriers to learning should not be vulnerable, particularly learners with barriers to learning. A teacher can implement numerous strategies to achieve an inclusive classroom. Multiple means of representations. The teacher can present, for example, the learning materials through a variety of media, visuals, auditory, and so forth. Multiple means of action and expression. The teacher in this regard may use strategies that allow the learners to practice tasks with different levels of support and to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in a diversity of ways. The other method can be a multiple means of engagement. In this regard, these principles involves creating interesting learning opportunities that motivates and also stimulates learners according to their personal backgrounds and interests.